Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create PicsArt account in Android. Creating a PicsArt account on an Android device is simple and quick, and this is how you are going to do it. The first one, you need to download and install the PicsArt app. If you haven't had the app, you can go to the Play Store and then you can just click on search. Click on the search column at the top and just search for PicsArt. Click on enter or click on the PicsArt app, and then here just install. So I already installed it, but apparently I need to update the app, so I'm going to just update it. So if you just download the app, you can just wait for the installations to complete, and after that just open the app. So once the app is completely installed on your Android device, you can just launch the PicsArt app by tapping on the PicsArt icon on your home screen to open the app. Okay, just click on it, and this is the PicsArt application. So once the PicsArt application is open, you can start the sign up process. On the welcome screen, you'll see options to log in or sign up, and in here you can just choose your preferred sign up method. PicsArt offer you multiple ways to create an account. The first one, you can use your Google account. You can tap on the Google icon and select your Google account and just follow the prompts. The second one is you can use your Facebook account. You can tap on the Facebook icon in here, log in with your Facebook credentials and grant permissions. Or you can also use email or phone number by clicking on this create account. You can just sign up manually in here. So you can just enter your details if you sign up manually, such as email address, phone number. Set up your username and password, and then just tap on next. So in here, I'm going to just use my Google account. So if you sign up with email, check your inbox for a verification email and click the link to confirm your account. And if you sign up with a phone number, you need to enter the verification code sent to your phone. And after you sign up, you can add a profile picture, fill in any additional details, and customize your account as needed. And after you created your profile, you'll be directed to the main PicsArt interface where you can start editing, creating, or exploring the community. And that's pretty much all. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and subscribe and click on thanks. Bye.